Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. It's been about a week since I last posted, and yes, we're back with another recipe, another TikTok recipe. Today we are making feta cheese macaroni and cheese. Is it feta mac and cheese? I think so, but it's a TikTok recipe with got the cherry tomatoes, the feta cheese, the noodles. So let's get right into it. So to start off, we got the ingredients. We got like I said, cherry tomatoes. We got the feta cheese. We got the little noodles. We got salt, all seasoning, pepper. It's mixed with the salt, and we have olive oil. So here, let's get into it. So as you can see, I've angled the camera towards the plate so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to start off by putting all the cherry tomatoes into the bowl and spreading them out. I washed them, that's why they're wet. I'm just going to spread them out like so, like so, like so, like so. I'm gonna pop open the feta cheese. I have a feeling that this is gonna stink for some reason. I can't open it. I can't open it. Let me get a knife real quick. We being dangerous, child. Bro. Open, open, open. Okay. So I got the little tab off. It's garbage. Just put it out there. Pop this thing open. I'm back with the cheese. So we're just gonna ignore the fact that I got cheese water in here because it's cheese water. It's not gonna kill nobody, it's cheese water. We put in the cheese in here anyways. It's gonna give it a little flavor, you know what I'm saying? So pop in the feta right in the middle like that. Actually, let me put it this way. And there's a little like side pieces, so I'm gonna put these right here and right here as well, just so we have a wider spread of the cheese, like so. See? And then I'm gonna get my good old friend olive oil. This one's empty, so I'm just gonna put it over there. Get my trusty old friend. There's hair in my mouth. Trusty old friend olive oil. Open that thing up and drizzle. Actually, let me put a little bit more tomatoes on the side. Drizzle the olive oil a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. That's actually a lot of oil, but. And I really don't like my tomatoes like to be noticeable in my food, so I'm gonna blend it when it's out of the oven. So I just quickly added the olive oil. Then we're gonna get some Himalayan pink salt mixed with pepper. We're gonna season that everywhere. Ignore the awkward silence. Oh, if you hear any background noise, it's the washing machine. Because I'm washing my clothes like a normal human being. Anyways, so that's that. And then we're gonna go in with our Italiano all seasoning. Gonna sprinkle some of that like this, like so, like that, because that's my business. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more olive oil because I don't think like I added enough. I don't feel like I added enough. So a little bit more oil. Oh my goodness, that's so much, bro. That's so much oil. Okay, so this is what we have going on so far. I'm gonna add a little bit more seasoning. Low-key, I want to add hot sauce, but I don't know. Let me think about it. But yeah, this is what we have so far. I'm gonna pop this in the oven for I think it's 30 minutes. I'm not sure. I need to go rewatch the TikTok video and come back. Anyways, let me pop it in the oven and I'm gonna be right back. Bye. So I'm back with, oh, that burns. So I'm back with the post oven product. This is what it looks like after being in the oven for 30 minutes. If you ask me, it looks kind of good. So now it's time for the crushing process. Let me put on the oven mitt because I'm not trying to burn myself. It's time for the crushing process. Like I said earlier, I don't like raw tomato. Well, it's not raw, it's cooked, but you know, I'm just gonna blend it. I don't even know how to explain it, but I'm gonna mix it like this first. So far it looks actually really good, aside from the fact that it's really watery. But let's mix it in. I also just went ahead and made the noodles because who doesn't know how to make pasta noodles? If you don't, please get help. I'm not judging, but I'm judging, because everybody should know how to make noodles. But just mix it and mix it and mix it and mix it. So now that I have like a good pasty kind of consistency, I'm gonna pop this into my blender cup right here. Now we have everything in a blender cup and we're gonna blend it. So I'm back and I just went ahead and put noodles in the plate that we used in the oven because it's the same thing. And then I went ahead and blended our little cheese and tomato mixture and it came out like in this nice orangey color, and it smells really good. So I'm just gonna pour some of that right here. It's quite a lot. I don't think I'm gonna use all of it. I'm just gonna leave some of it to the side and mix. Time for disgusting sounds. Yeah. That sounds so weird. Just mix it and mix it and mix it. Ooh, this honestly kind of looks more orange than I expected. But at least every piece of pasta is being coated, which is good. So far, looks so good. Looks really good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and first of all, grand reveal. This looks amazing. This looks good. Second of all, I'm gonna angle the camera towards my lovely face that everybody has missed and give it a taste. So, hey, it's me again. So, as you can see, we got some pasta. We got some feta pasta from TikTok, and it's done. The recipe's over, and it's time to taste it. Get a little, let me be a little quirky. Let me have my moment. Looks nice. Okay. Looks nice. Time to try it. See if it tastes good. Ooh. Yummy. I'm taking another one. I like it. Basically, to sum everything up, it's good. It's good. Do I recommend it? Yes. Go and make some right now. Go to your local supermarket, go get some feta cheese, go get some cherry tomatoes, go get some olive oil, and make it. It tastes great. Rating? I'd rate it a 10 out of 10. And it tastes great. It tastes amazing. And I personally think that Gordon Ramsay has nothing on me. Nothing at all. I'm sorry, Mr. Gordon, but I win. Anyway, so this was today's video, and I hope you like it. And please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. and leave a suggestion of a video or recipe that you would like for me to do in our next video. Until then, stay tuned and thank you for watching. Bye everybody.